Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies. This is for the song G, But I Want to Go Home that you can find on page 36. You can find this song and many of Elizabeth's works for free at my website with her permission at ukestuff.info. You go up to Ukulele Music, drop down to the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale, and you can download it there, no strings attached. This book was written for low G GC ukulele, though many of them will work for high G and they do work for baritone as well. In the case of baritone, you do have to ignore the names of the chords and the traditional written notation because it will not match, but the tablature does work. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the song on low G GC ukulele and then do a tutorial on low G GC ukulele, and then I'll demonstrate it on high G and then I'll demonstrate on baritone as well. If, after done playing the song, you find that you like chord melody, I have a number of resources that you can tap into. So if you go to ukestuff.info and you go to Ukulele Music, you'll find works by me, all of Elizabeth Ragsdale's work, works by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, and a link to the website of the late ukulele Mike Lynch, though his resources are paid. I also do sell 3 books of intermediate chord melodies that you can find at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. I also just recently released a beginner ukulele book if you know anybody that's beginning to learn how to play ukulele. That book can be found in the same place as those other books. And if you want to support the work that I'm doing here on YouTube, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my 2 YouTube channels, the Uke Stuff channel and the Uke Playlongs channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, or you can make a donation right here on YouTube. All right, let's demonstrate the song on low G GC ukulele. This is my tenor Koloha o Pio Sapele ukulele. All right, let's walk through the song or do tutorial note by note. On the top, Elizabeth shows all the chords you need in the song, and in this case, she shows a full B-flat chord, but you don't need a full B-flat chord, you only need a 3-finger B-flat chord. First finger will play the 2nd string 1st fret, second finger will play the 3rd string 2nd fret, and the ring finger will play the 4th string 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. That's all you need in that for the B-flat chord. A C chord, a C7 chord, and an F chord. Sometimes the F chord needs the pinky and the 1st string 3rd fret though. All right, let's walk through the song. Basically, you can make an F chord at the beginning. You play the 3rd string. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then I would drop my pinky down and play the 2nd string 3rd fret. Then lift it up, play the 2nd string. 2nd string again. Then lift up all your fingers, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Open 2nd string. Ring finger comes down to the 3rd string 3rd fret. Then open strings 4, 3, and 2. Back to the 3rd string 3rd fret. Then back up to open strings 4, 3, and 2. Then ring finger comes down on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Just the 2nd string, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open. 2 2nd strings very quickly, 2 16th notes. And then 1 more 2nd string. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, lift up the 1st finger on the 2nd string, and then put it back down and play strings 4, 3, and 2 of the F chord. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up the 1st finger again. Now, switch your hand around so you could play the B-flat chord, but don't put down the 1st finger yet. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string open. Put the 1st finger down. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up the 1st finger. Put the 1st finger down again. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. 3rd string. Then play your F chord, strings 4 and 3. F chord, strings 4, 3, 2. Full F chord. strings 4, 3, 2. Then pinky comes down, full F chord with the pinky in the first string, 3rd fret. Repeat the first string, lift up the pinky, C7 chord, first string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. F chord with the pinky, first string, 3rd fret. Repeat the first string, lift up the pinky, C7 chord, first string open, ring finger comes down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And then Elizabeth often adds a little tag at the end of her songs. Here's her tag this time. You play the 3rd string open, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string open, and then an F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's G, But I Want to Come Home on low G, GC ukulele. All right, here's a demonstration of G, But I Want to Go Home on what actually is a long neck soprano ukulele. So it has a concert neck with a soprano body. This is my Kamaka HP Pineapple Anniversary ukulele. And a demonstration on baritone. Again, ignore the chord names, ignore the written notation, just focus on the tablature. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of G, But I Want to Go Home, one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies that you can find for free at ukestuff.info with your permission. So you just go to Ukulele Music to the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale. I hope you are having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.